Hello, welcome to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method to plan out her finances every week. Today we will be cash stuffing $155, but before that, let's go to this binder, my budget binder, and take out our slip. If you hear tapping noises, that's just my cats. They currently have the zoomies. Okay, and now let's go into my envelope and count my wallet, and count all the leftover cash that I have. So spending had zero. It had zero, right? Gotta go back to my stuff. Yeah, spending has zero. It has zero. Eating out has zero. Groceries had 60. It has zero. Gas had 20. It has zero. Buffer had 10. It had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left over. This will be going into my savings challenges. So let's write that down. Leftover 10. I don't know why I put a second box here. So, and then what's going into savings is 10. Okay, now let's count our cash for today. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is $20 short because I've already used the gas money. So we won't be stuffing gas in my wallet. And now the cats are currently playing with a toy. So let's stuff my wallet. Spending is getting 0. Eating out 0. Groceries is gonna get 20, 20, 40, 60. Gas, nothing because I've already spent it. Buffer is getting 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's good for my wallet. Oh, I've been saving coins because thinking of saving them and making a savings tracker just for them, but I haven't gotten to that yet. Okay, so let's go into this binder. Our first category is going to be Elizabeth. Elizabeth is my future daughter's name, and Elizabeth will be getting 50 as always. We have been stuffing extra cash. Like we went to the store to exchange coins in the coin star. So we got 47 from that. And then our friend gave us $20 to add. So now she has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 15, 16, 17. So she has 217. let's color in one of these. I think we're going to use this money in a couple days to buy her stroller slash car seat that we wanted because it's currently on sale. Hey, stop it. So next category is maternity leave. Just saving extra cash where I can for this. It's gonna get $5. So now it has 20, 40, 45, 50. Okay, that's it for this binder. Now let's go into my savings challenge binder. So 2026, if I could take it out, there it goes. It's going to get a 5 plus the other 5 from the leftover money, which is 10. So I realized last week I filled in a $10 one when I was supposed to fill in 16. So instead of putting, now it has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, wait, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. Now it has $36. Okay. So let's do these savings challenges. So this is my January savings challenge. It is going to be on my Etsy shop. So I planned for $2, but I think I'm going to put another 2. Yeah, just put another 2 in. So I'm putting in 4 in total. 1 second while I try to get the cats off my desk. They're all over the place now. Okay, so I'm putting in $4 today. Oh, I did this wrong. Wait, no, I didn't do this wrong. Okay, put 10, it's 36. Put 4, and now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I could color in 2 of these. Okay, so that's $8. Okay, and then this one, I budgeted for 2. I'm gonna add another 2 from the leftover cash. So then it should have $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Let's get a marker. Then, okay. So cross that out, put 4, check mark, $8. Okay, and then the rest is gonna go into my $1 savings. So I budgeted for $1, but it's going to get $2 today from the leftovers. So now it has $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Okay. Okay, and everything's all good. That's it. That's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next week for another cash planning video for January week 4.